the camera!
What? Okay, guys, we're gonna finish our house today, or
Yeah.
at least try.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to move, please.
Okay, I'll just go by this tree. If you don't mind.
Yeah, I don't. No, I mind a lot, guys.
Wait, so you don't want me to go here? That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Guys, you must subscribe to our channel. Need a PC.
Subscribe to the channel. And also, leave a like on this video if you love Minecraft.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, who doesn't like
Except for
Minecraft?
those Fortnite people.
I kind of play Fortnite, but I usually play Roblox. But yeah, I like Minecraft on
We should
Xbox.
do a Roblox channel.
Yeah, we should.
My bird's just flying down.
We might create a Roblox channel, guys. Are you excited for that, huh? You excited for that? You excited for that? I bet you guys are. But anyways, we have to keep going.
I love it so far.
Yeah. I think it's honestly awesome. Gotta admit, right?
Guys, what do you think of it?
I think it's consistently
Why don't
awesome.
you do anything?
Because I'm lazy, okay? Do not let me down.
Lazy people problems.
Yep.
Be like,
Oh my god, look. Is my head cracked? Guys, look at my head. Is it cracked or something?
can I do that?
Yeah, all you have to do is look down and then
I think everybody can do that.
yeah, you pretty much have to do this and then you have to go in 3D mode and just go
There's a
down.
spider down there. You guys see the spiders?
Wait, where is it? Spiders are friendly at morning.
Yeah, but they're evil and vicious at night.
Yeah. At least it's not night right now.
Sure about Berlin.
Hey!
What was that noise that you just made?
Hey!
Okay, just please stop the cringe.
People like cringy, you know that, right? So there's
Well,
nothing
I
can
don't. I think it's dumb. Some people don't, you know?
do.
Which is mostly all of our fans.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Like, we have any because nobody loves us. Nobody wants
I
to
wish we had.
subscribe.
Yeah, we.
Yeah, can you guys subscribe to us so we can have a family?
We
And we
can.
won't be lonely no more.
We need a family. This is so sad.
Okay, let's just stop the cringe now because this is like getting. Guys, I almost just fell off.
By the way, you almost cannot fall off.
I'm floating, guys.
Guys,
Look at Lillian's screen.
wait, go back. Go back. Go back a little more.
This is the farthest I can go back. Unless I go.
Oh my god. She's literally floating, guys.
Don't
That's a new magic trick. Wow, a dog got to learn. I should change my skin.
No, don't.
Fine.
That's a waste of time.
Yeah.
We have to build our tree house.
Oh my god.
It's already becoming night.
Yeah, that's a problem. Is there spiders by? I don't think you guys know that, but spiders are by.
I hate spiders.
Yeah. They can always literally just crawl on you
Go to bed.
when you're sleeping.
Place down the beds, please. Not by the edge. You're like right here. I love it.
Where?
Oh my god, guys. No, over here.
Oh.
Let's jump.
Oof.
Place down the beds anywhere.
Okay, we will sleep here.
Oh my god! Ah!
Two mobs? Mobs?
No,
It's not night yet.
come night.
Yeah, it's becoming
Let's
night.
watch the sunset.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Wait, the sunset's behind us. No. Wait.
We don't have a
It's
sunset.
like
Wait.
over there.
Yeah, it's over here.
Night. Guys, let's go to bed.
Oh my god. I
Go
can
to your bed.
I can see you sleeping.
Go to bed. Don't watch me sleep. That's creepy.
Okay. Wake up time!
Okay, now you're just the creepiest person on earth.
Hey, it's not my fault. I'm not the craziest guy on earth.
The creepiest.
I'm not creepy. Just to tell you, I'm not creepy. Oh, this house gets built by now. Look at the
Not gonna get
top.
built in, like-
Look at guys. Look at the top. The top is so beautiful.
That's a bridge.
I know it's like a bridge. I love it. Pretty cool, by the way. Just gotta say. Just gotta say.
Okay, go up here, guys.
Oh, so we go from over here and we gonna take a turn. I want to go to the bridge always. The bridge is awesome. It's so beautiful. Do you guys know how beautiful this bridge is? It's so beautiful. Just look at it. It even has a... Oh my god.
I didn't kill him by accident.
Oh no.
Poor birdie.
I feel so bad.
Yeah, right. Let's go. Let's finish our house. Oh, I feel so bad. We had to make a grave for it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's make a grave by this tree or by our house. Right at our house.
Let's jump in the water and make a grave.
It is so sad.
I'll bury his feathers.
Okay, bury his feathers.
Let's make a grave.
Guys, look at Eva's screen right now to see the grave.
You gotta come down too.
How?
Jump down.
I kind of almost died there, and I died.
Well, you spawn back.
Oh, now what do I do?
Jump in the water.
How?
Jump on the tree and then in the water.
How am I supposed to? Oh my god, that was kind of painful, but
Rest in peace, little bud. Don't fall in the hole.
I just want to look at it. No, I'm crouching, so it won't. I'm crouching.
Guys, they were stuck.
It's just so sad.
I can place the wood now. Bye-bye, birdie.
We love you forever.
This is what you died from, because you were in the way. Rest in peace. Now let's go finish the house. Oh, I'm so sad. I feel so bad for killing him.
Yeah, it was by
Oh, a
accident.
new birdie. Oh.
Get it. We need that birdie.
Go follow him.
Wait,
guys,
there's
look.
2 birdies.
What? Oh god, I want the dark blue one. And follow that birdie. I'm gonna follow. No, follow the dark blue one first.
No, I'm just gonna keep with this one. I just love it.
I know.
I love dark blue.
Birdie,
At least we got a new birdie in this episode.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It takes a
Where
while.
is it? Oh,
It's over here. I see.
keep following it.
Oh, you're so cute. No, wait, you're not gonna piss me off.
Guys, we need a new bird. Hopefully this time I don't kill it. If I kill it, then I'm just never gonna have a bird again.
Yeah, I'd still be sad. I missed that other bird.
This one looks better though.
Yeah, at least
Wait,
it's
I
dark
just got
blue.
another seed. It's on a tree. Thanks a lot, bird. Know what to climb up there.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd it go? Oh.
I
bye.
think we kind of got lost at some point to our house.
No, I know where it is.
Oh.
But this bird is more important.
Hey!
Okay, I'm pretty sure I can tame it now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's over here. It's by this pig.
Why is there a pig?
How?
Oh Where's the other bird? Now I have to find the other
It's
one.
so cute, guys. Just look at it. Look at its face.
There's a chicken, but that's not a bird. I need food.
Do you guys think that this bird will live forever and Ava will not kill it?
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna kill it by accident again.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta admit. Might happen. Never know.
Let's look and see in the world. We're on a screen moon. There's tons of lava. Do I see any
Wait, where are you?
Diamond.
Do I see any diamonds? No, I don't see any diamonds. Where are you?
Find the other bird. Oh, there he is. Oh, so cute.
I can't find you.
Birdie, please don't.
I found it. I found it.
Keep following.
I found it. I found this birdie. I found this birdie, but I don't think that's yours. I think that's yours.
Sorry, Birdie.
I think that's not yours, probably.
I hit another bird by
We actually found a bird in real life, guys.
Yeah, so it flew into our garage. It looked like it was her. We got it one day.
And we saved it.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It's a little brown bird. So we just put him outside with the little bird food in him. He was a perfectly bird.
I still can't find you. I think I'm putting
Well,
it.
follow that bird, the other bird. We found another bird. Or is that just...
Wait, is it this?
It's a blue
Wait.
bird. It's a light blue.
I know, but I saw another bird.
Okay, guys, we gotta find another bird.
Yeah. I
I
found
found-
another blue bear, but it's not yours. It's the city.
Is that another green bird? Why is there... Oh, this is my favorite bird. I love these birds. Oh my god, it's a parrot, it's a parrot. Parrot, be mine.
We're talking lots of parrots in this video.
Come here, come here.
Well, guys, I think that'll be it for today.
No, just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Now I have to go follow that red bird. Lily.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. Okay, I have to go find that red bird, guys. There he is. He's gonna be mine.
Are you sure?
No, Lily, come here.
Where are you?
Just go in the treehouse. I'll get him.
I don't know where the treehouse is. That's the
It's in the
thing.
tree. You can see it from there.
What tree? Oh, and I see it. Okay, I'm coming up. I'm right there.
Since I came this red bird. I love red birds. I want to adopt a red bird in real life. Because they're so... Oh, I got him! Now I have 2 birds! Y'all. Like any other bird? I want
Wait,
more birds.
I can sacrifice myself. No, that was a bad idea.
Yes, that was.
At least I was spawn
Is
on my
that
bed.
blue bird? Oh my god. It's blue
Okay,
bird.
I'm at the place.
It's that blue bird. I tried to get him.
Guys, I think that'll actually be it.
Nah.
I'm trying to trick you guys a million times, you know. Ava, why are you spoiling it?
Because I don't like cream so much.
Oh, yeah.
You know. Birdie, be mine.
It's kind of true, though. It's actually not much time left before we have to leave and go to bed.
Whatever.
So, actually, we want to go to bed, but, you know, we have to lots of stuff to do.
Where's my bluebird? Where's my blueberry? Hello, blueberry bird. Blueberry birds mean nothing to me. I still want him. He's so cute. How can I see him? I just hit that bird. I'm so sorry. I think that was my bird.
If it was, then that would just be
I just hit a chicken now.
sad.
Guys, I'm just like torturing birds here.
Yeah.
I just killed a bird, and now I have like 2 other birds. Now I'm about to have 3. Because I just changed this one. Wait, where are my birds? I'm going in the house. Where's my red bird?
Guys, I think this is actually going to be it. It's been 14 minutes and 1 more minute. We're going to have to leave.
Whatever. Bye, guys.
Bye.